Good morning, Papyrus.
Good morning, Sans.
So let's get out of bed.
I'm already out.
Yeah.
I need to go get my gun. Boom.
Hi.
Shoo. Hi.
Okay. So let's go kill some humans.
Alright.
Hey, I see some right there. Gaster Blaster.
Gaster Blaster.
Yeah, you learned how to use Gaster Blaster. Good job. Okay. So I see some people that I want to battle here. Gaster Blaster.
Gaster Blaster.
I'll use my strong attack first. Boom. Telekinesis.
Telekinesis.
No, you don't know how to use telekinesis.
Gaster Blaster.
Okay. Oh no, some more. The kin. What is he doing? I guess the kin wants to fight or something.
Spider-Man.
Shut up.
Well, that was easy. Gaster
Yeah.
Blaster.
Okay. So let's get the kin now. I guess he wants to fight us or something.
Gaster Blaster.
Gaster
3,
Blaster.
2.
Gaster Blasters. Hey, if you want to know how to use multiple Gaster Blasters, you just have to go in a circle.
Multiple Gaster Blasters.
That's all you have to do. Gaster Blaster. Ah! Not again! Not again! Ugh.
Hey, at least I won.
I don't care. Hey! Oh no! He's coming in for the attack! Teleport!
Run!
Yeah, you don't know how to teleport yet. I'll teach you that in the future.
Run!
Ultimate Gaster Blaster! Ultimate Gaster Blaster! Boom!
Boom!
So we're gonna end off this video now.